welcome to Travel Stars Vlog. Today we are at the top of Jebel Jais mountain to try out something crazy.
We are here to try the world's longest zip line at Toroverde Ras Al Khaima,
So the flight distance is 2.84 km.
which is certified by the Guinness Book of World Record as the world's longest zip line in a single stretch.
So today we will be flying at the maximum speed of 160 km per hour in a Superman position.
Here we go. By the way, we have also tried the world's longest urban zip line at X-Line Dubai Marina. So you can check the video by clicking the link above.
We will be flying from here till that point. Fun.
Ready? 3,
Yay.
2, 1.
Yay! Finally, I did it!
Tell me, Musa.
80 on blue, 90 on yellow.
One. All these bags.
This bags? Like this?
You can sit. Just sit.
Ah, okay.
Right. Right.
That is a 10-ton structure hanging in the middle of the mountain, 50 meters above the ground. How was the experience, Ramya?
It was amazing. I would love to try this again.
After the skydive. Good.
What about you?
Overall, the experience of this zipline was awesome. To all the adrenaline junkies out there, it's a must try.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.